when you're down and troubled, and you need a helping hand, and nothing, well, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, now all you got to do is call, and I'll be there.
And I'll be there, yes I will. Hi, Emelina! Ganda ng boses ko, no? Pasensya na, kakagaling ko lang sa concert, kaya hindi na nga tayo nag-aabot. Here's my special farewell message for you. I know you're an amazing person, and I greet. Take 4. Okay, seriously, here's my special farewell message for you. I'm so thankful na naging friends tayo, though nung umpisa kala ko hindi tayo magkiklik. Alam ko naman na naiintindihan mo ko sa mga kawirduhan ko. For sure mamimiss kita. Syempre, lahat kami mamimiss ka namin. Yung mga jokes mo, yung mga jokes mo na panahon pa ni Tito Vic and Joey, syempre mamimiss ko yon. Yung pandededma mo sa pagbagong gising ka, syempre hahanap-hanapin ko din yun. Saka syempre yung mga lambing mo sa aming mga friends mo, saka mamimiss ko din yung katok mo. Ayun lang. Well, dinadaan ko na lang sa tawa to kasi pagbalik ko sa Jeddah, I know, it will not be the same. I mean, yung apartment natin, it will not be the same. Pinaiyak na ako. Yun lang.
Ang tagal ah.
O sige. Game. Take 10 na to. Ayun lang. I'll be seeing you in Manila. Ayun, ingat ka, saka sana you'll find a better career. A lot better than Sodia. Ayun, congratulations kasi laya ka na. Ayun, I love you.
Listen as your day unfolds, challenge what the future holds, try and keep your head up to the sky. Lovers, they may cause you tears, go ahead, release your fears, stand up and be counted, don't be ashamed to cry. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser, you gotta gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together.